Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, February 28th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, it was an interesting day on the stock market today. All-time high in the U.S. stock market is 14,198. We got up intraday to about 14,150, and the market stalled out and then ended up selling off a little and finished negative 20 on the day. So it didn't quite make it. And if you're a technical analysis is not a science, if you want to even call it that I have much faith in. But if you were, you might make quite a bit about this, that we had a failure close to previous highs. It would indicate, the whole thing is coming down. No, the sky isn't going to fall. We'll just have to wait for another day to do this. Anyway, we came in with a pile of positions because we had a 175 point runoff yesterday, run-up, and we kind of did mediocre on it. We made, I think in terms of what we got out of it, it was between $3,000 and $4,000. I would have expected a little better, but then again, we didn't have a positive day following the big run-up yesterday. So I'm okay with it. We're going to have our day this whole month. This is our last trading day of the month, and it's been lackluster. We had a great month in January. We had really kind of a so-so month in February. Hey, maybe things will get better in March. Let's hope so. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, here we're looking at the Dow. You can see the run-up yesterday. That was 175 points. You see a little break in that data. We had some data problems yesterday, and didn't really affect our trading, but that's what the hole in the data there is. Anyway, we come in today about neutral, and the market backed off a little, and then it slowly started to build, and when we got up to here, we are at 14,150 about, and as I say, 14,198 would be an all-time record high for the stock market, and we just got up here and it failed. It came back down here, and then a little bit of fear comes in the market on this last 15-minute bar, and we ended up going negative for the day. I'm not concerned about this. I would say about 50-50 chance we could have a positive day tomorrow, and who knows what. You just don't know about this market. Anyway, I'm not worried about this action. This we're very close to that all-time high, and this market had two strong days in a row. The last two trading days have been strong days. We had a little pullback today, not amount to much. That's just pretty much markets for you. I want to show you, we had a bunch of markets coming in, and we really we made money, but I didn't have it much that was really much to write home about, and we only got out with about a little over $3,000 in profits. So not the greatest day. This was our best trade, and this is in TQNT, which is Triquint Semiconductors. And you can see here, yesterday we got into this right here, and it closed up pretty good, and then it jumped up some more, and bango, we got out of it up here almost on the high. So that's a really good trade, but that really was the exception out of the 22 trades. Most of them were just made a few $100, and the total balance sheet, it wasn't all that terrific. But anyway, we'll be back at it tomorrow, and tomorrow, hey, tomorrow's my day off. We'll be back at it on Monday. So have a good day, have a nice weekend, and this is Trader Bob, and I'll see you on Monday.